I'm gonna show you how ridiculously easy it is to get a 7 million view TikTok. You guys are gonna be blown away. Let's do this. Let's go into it. So in today's video, we're basically just going to be breaking down how we made this TikTok. And this video has easily brought us in an extra $15,000 to $20,000 in sales just from that one video alone. And again, I'm going to repeat myself. It was the easiest thing we could make in the whole entire world. So you guys have to check out how we did this. Ever since we did post that video, obviously some things have changed on TikTok and the algorithms are a little bit different than they were back in February 2021. Things have changed, but that's okay. It's still possible to make a video like this with very minimal effort and still get millions of views. So guys, with that information being said, I'm going to show you guys our best video that we've ever done with our company, PG Shapewear. Let's run it. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, what did you guys think of that video? Did you think it took us, like, I want you guys to think, like, guess, like, how many minutes or how many hours, minutes or hours, how long do you think that video took us to make? Right? Put a timer in. Okay. You guys ready for this? 3 minutes. 3 minutes that video took us to make. And how many views did it get? How many views? 7 million. You got 7 million views. And you want to know how we did it? We put it in my basement. We got a blanket on the floor. We literally put a blanket on the floor, put our shapewear on the ground, and just started filming different angles of the product. We, took like 3-second videos, like each side. At the time, our TikToks were getting millions of views alone just by making those kind of videos. So we kept replicating the same thing with the same effort style. And believe me, the reason why we did that is because at the time we didn't have a bunch of capital to just throw on content. So, we had to do as best as we could to just, maximize our money that we had. That's what we did. And we never thought it would have got, millions of views like that, but it did. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what we thought of in our heads when we were doing that. And how it can easily be replicated right now. Okay, so I'm actually just going to pull up my TikTok right now, just so I could look at it as we're talking. All right, so basically, the first thing we talk about here when we talk about TikToks and any single TikTok is the first 3 seconds, so that first initial scroll stopper. I've talked about this in all my videos, and this is where you're getting that initial attention. So someone's scrolling on their feed to stop on your video and watch it for the duration that it is. You got to capture their attention and really resonate with them and think, well, how am I going to get someone's attention if they're watching 50 TikToks while they're on TikTok? That's their, that's the amount they watch in a span of 20 minutes, let's just say. Why is yours going to stand out, and why is it going to, really resonate with them? So our first 3 seconds, as you can see, was best friend. What are you wearing under your tight dress? So that first initial 3 seconds is very, very clickbaity, okay? Although it's not anything crazy, just saying, what are you wearing under your tight dress? I think the words tight and that blushing emoji that you see there, it somehow resonates with them. And obviously we captured their attention. And all we did was just take a 4-second clip. It was me on the ground, and I was just going like this with my phone. I was just filming it with the record button on TikTok, and it was just 4 seconds. That one scene, okay? And now the next scene, it just says best friend, : you have no panty lines or anything. The fuck, right? TFF, right? It's just, even the proper spelling, I feel like some of that stuff doesn't, that's what looks the most authentic, because it's not scripted, you see an ad, it's just so proper, and you see the text and it's just so nice. This is just zero effort, very minimal effort. You're just talking like a human being, and that's what really connects with somebody, right? They want to see it's their friend posting something. They want to see some professional ass video, because they know what they're being sold to, right? So if you make videos that are friendly or just in their usual atmosphere, that don't make them think twice that this is anything they're not used to seeing, you're really going to connect with them. Obviously you have to be, you have to have something that's going to catch their attention, right? So that's where you have to be different. But in terms of anything out of the ordinary that makes them think it's an ad, they won't, because it looks just so native. We literally just zoomed up on our tag of the product, and we just put the text. That's it. And so far, total time making this video so far, from that one part to the second part, it's probably a minute. It took us a minute to do that, and then the last part here, it's me. So I get the best friend's talking, now it's me. It's my backless shapewear. So that's this is one of our best selling products, right? So if you can see how that was scripted out. So basically, we had the first 3 seconds, which was the hook. Then we had some script, and at the end is a call to action. So that's kind of like how the structure is. And they're all 3 to 4 second clips, as you can see, right? But at the end of all of our TikTok videos, we always have a call to action, whether it's shop now or just the website or I got it here at wherever, or we put in the comments. There's always a call to action, which just means that, you know, someone's going to click to your website or somehow find your website, because that's the initial goal. And again, total running time, guys, 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes easily between filming that, putting the text, and putting all the captions and hashtags. It's like 3 minutes. Honestly, it's very quick, and that's all it took for us. We just kept making videos like that to the point where it got so crazy that we made enough money to actually get real people wearing our products, not just like stuff on the ground. And that's what we needed, because I want you guys to keep in mind, you can't just do the exact same thing over and over and over again and make it work for like a year's time, because it's not going to work. Because now when you're on your For You page, people are going to get used to that kind of content and they want to see something different. That's what I was talking about, looking at different content before. So we got women wearing our product, and there's different angles, so it all made sense. But even now, some of the videos that we're posting, they're getting old for our audience, so we have to think of something new and creative to do, because eventually your audience gets exhausted, or like the For You page will not get exhausted, but people will be used to seeing it. You'll have the same people in the For You page viewing your videos, right? Yeah, I mean, in total, this video got 954,000 likes, it got 1,500 comments, and it got 7.5k shares. That's pretty crazy. And this is our most popular video, but we also have a bunch of other videos too that are absolutely viral, that have gotten millions of views, 2.4 million, 1.4 million, even another 6 million video, 5 million, 4 million. The list goes on, and they've made us tens of thousands of dollars. And this is just organic, guys. It doesn't cost us anything to do other than our labor. So again, do you ever think to yourself that you can't do something because you don't have the content ready for it? Just get your product on the floor. Think of some cool like ideas or angles to really narrate your product or a story or something, and you can do this. As long as your product is unique enough to sell and that people actually want to buy it, it's possible. You can't just get like a toothbrush and start doing this kind of stuff, unless it's a cool toothbrush or something. But you gotta have a really unique product. I think that's really important. But anyways, guys, let me know if I missed anything. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer those. Please give us a like and subscribe. It would really help us boost the algorithms, and it can get us to keep making videos like this that you'll like. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.